Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on Daopush to make money fast. Let's go! Welcome to today's video, guys, and today's video's title is called the best offers to promote with Daopush or Dao ad to make money fast. You have to keep in mind, first thing is Daopush and Dao ad is the same thing, because Daopush was the previous name and now they have actually changed the name into Dao ad just recently. So Dao ad is actually a very famous ad network, and this ad network is an ad network which specially caters only for buying traffic. They do not cater for publishers, guys. You have to keep that in mind. They only caters for people who, like us, who wants to buy traffic and create campaign. So this is actually the dashboard of Dao ads. Now, coming back to the topic of today's video, which is choosing the best offers to be promoted within Dao ad. So can you actually go ahead and choose an offer within the Dao ad itself? No, you can't choose an offer within Dao ad alone. What Dao ad is for is to create the ad. So basically you choose an offer and then you go ahead and create a landing page, and then you go ahead and put a tracker with your landing page, and then you go ahead and create an ad which will link to your landing page and then link to your offer page. That's how the whole process works. So we are going to talk about the first initial process, guys, which is choosing the offer. We want to go ahead and choose an offer, and why choosing an offer is very important. This is actually the first step in this whole process. As you can see, I told you choose offer first, right? And this is not only the first process, guys, this is like the heart of the patient, the heart of operation. Why? You have to keep one thing in mind. Let's say that you choose a shit offer, and then what happens is you go ahead, the next step, create a beautiful landing page. You create a crazy convertible landing page, and then you go to the next step, you linked it with a tracker. You use the best tracker there is, Volume, and then you linked it, everything looks nice, and then you went to Dao ads over here and you create an ad. You create a magnificent ad, an ad which looks like super crazy and convertible. So people like your ad, audience click on your ad. So when you audience click on your ad, where would they go? They would be going to the landing page, and they like the landing page as well. So what they will do, they will click more and they will be led to the offer page. Now keep in mind that the offer sucked, right? So when the offer sucked, you think they will go ahead and do what? They will go ahead and click the cancel button or click the back button. That's what will happen. So your CTR will go very high, which is very good, but your conversion rate would go very low, which is very bad. In fact, end of the day, we want people to convert, right? So your conversion rate is the most important part there. I'm not saying that it is the only important part. There's a lot of other important factors as well, but your conversion rate is one of the most important part out there. You have to keep this in mind. That's why choosing an offer initially itself is very important, and that's why we're gonna focus on that. Now coming back, can Dao ad help you to choose an offer? Yes, it can help us, but can you choose an offer within Dao ads? No. Then what the hell am I doing here? Because I told you, right, Dao ad is going to help us to choose the offer. And how are they going to do that? This is the dashboard of Dao ads, guys. So once you are here, this is the main dashboard. So once you're here, there's pop traffic and push notification. So what we want to do is we want to go to the rates and volumes of traffic. So once you hit here, you will be led to this particular dashboard, and this is what we want. We want this particular information. So what we want is we want a particular information about a particular country. For example, let's take Russia for the example of this video. So we want the information of Russia. We want what is the volume of Russia, what is the normal CPC, the average value of the traffic in Russia, and all this kind of stuff. Why we want to know that? Because you have to keep in mind that whenever you go ahead and choose the offer, later on I will show you. So when you choose an offer, most of these offers are geo-targeted offer. What does it mean by geo-targeted offer? Which means that this offers is only eligible for a particular country. For example, offer X is only for Russia, offer B is only for Brazil, offer C is only for Canada, for example. It's like that. I'm not saying that all the offers are there like that. Some of the offers cater multiple countries as well, but most of the offer only caters single geo. So when we are actually choosing the offer, we need to know about the geo, right? You can't just go ahead and choose Russia and then you don't know how expensive Russia's traffic is, you don't know anything about Russia's volume, you don't know anything, guys. Because I'm from Malaysia, how the hell I would know about Russia's traffic and Russia's volume? And that's where the Dow ads will help. So once you have actually gathered all that particular information, you will be going to your affiliate network. So once you have actually choose the geo, the next step is for you to go to the affiliate network. And the affiliate network that we are actually using for the purpose of this video is Mobidia. Mobidia is one of the most highest rated affiliate network, especially when it comes to the mobile ads and mobile offers and all this kind of stuff. But that's not the main reason why we choose the Mobidia as an affiliate network. That is a reason, but that's not the main reason. The main reason why we choose Mobidia as an affiliate network is because of a certain feature that this particular affiliate network has. And that particular feature is called the offer directory. So when you actually hit the offer directory, you'll be led to this particular page. And as you can see in this particular page, there's a lot of offers. Literally, there's like 877 offers. And you might be asking me this question: you said Mobidia is a very reputable and high rated affiliate network, but they only have 877 offers. What the hell, man? So you might be thinking that no, guys, these 877 offers are not ordinary offers. They are top converting offers within Mobidia itself. What does this top converting offer means? It means if I'm a super affiliate, these are the offers that I have actually run. If I am an affiliate who has been making a lot of money, these are the offers that I've been running with Mobidia. So these are the top offers, guys. These are the offers that the affiliates make a lot of money, not a little bit money, a lot of money. So as a beginner affiliate marketer or beginner media buyer, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and choose the top converting offers rather than going ahead picking a new offer, then going ahead and exploring it in a new geo. Just pick the top converting offer, guys. Why you want to reinvent the wheel when there is already a wheel invented by somebody else that you can just go ahead and ride on it, guys? So once you have done that, over here is a filter section. You can actually filter a lot of stuff, but we are only going to filter it for geo. So we are looking for Russia, right? So Russia should be here, Russia Federation. So when you click the apply button, all the offers available in Russia would pop up with different pricing model, with different flow, with different payout and all this kind of stuff, and also with different for example, mainstream traffic or adult content or other verticals, guys. So let's choose an offer, for example. So this one looks nice, right? Watch video. No, I don't like this one. So this one looks nice, a single opt-in offer. So you can actually go ahead and hit this offer. Let's take a look at what is this offer about. So when you click on this offer, you can actually see a lot of information regarding this offer. The payout is 52 euros. It's only for Russia. It's a CPC. It's an email, summit, phone. And this offer has a daily cap of 50 summits, only 25 years old above only. And you can actually see a lot of recommendation and all this kind of stuff. You can also go ahead and see what type of traffic is allowed, but push traffic is not allowed here. But let's just assume push traffic is allowed, guys. So you're going to see the screenshot. So basically this is like a dating app, I think. Oh, this is a coffee app. I'm not sure, guys. I don't understand Russia. So if you don't understand all this kind of stuff, you can actually go ahead and ask the help for your advertising manager or affiliate manager. So there's banner, opportunity, and targeting. So once you're actually satisfied with the offer, if you're satisfied, not once, if you're satisfied with the offer, if you're not satisfied with the offer, you can go back and choose a different offer, guys. So if you're satisfied with the offer, you can hit the apply now button and then choose the traffic that you are going to promote this particular offer. Let's say push notification, or let's say Facebook ads, or let's say Google ads, and all this kind of stuff. So just choose, and then if you have a landing page, go ahead and put your landing page here. And this is one more thing that I would highly recommend a beginner affiliate marketer or media buyer to do. If you have a landing page, definitely put your landing page URL over here, because those affiliate managers going to review your application. You can actually ask them to review your landing page. They will review your landing page, and they might give you a little bit tips on how you can actually improve your landing page. And keep in mind, guys, these affiliate managers are people who have a lot of experience in this industry and have been working with a lot of affiliate, and they might even have been working with a lot of super affiliates as well. So you have to keep that in mind. So once everything is good, hit the agree button and hit the apply button. If you hit the apply button, your application would be submitted to the advertising manager or the affiliate manager, and all you got to do is just wait until your application is approved. Once your application is approved, you can go ahead and run this particular offer with your DAO ads. But if you hate waiting and you want to reduce the waiting time, what you can actually do is you can actually go to the live chat over here. You can hit the live chat and you can tell, hey buddy, I'm actually want to run this particular offer to 1845. I've actually applied for it. Do look at my application and approve my application as soon as possible. So if you actually approach them rather than they approaching you, you will reduce the waiting time drastically. So this is actually the way that you actually go ahead and choose the best offers to be promoted on DAO ads to make money fast, guys. That's about it in today's video, guys. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. On top of that, I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.